Okay, so we just received our Instantpot. We purchased this from Macy's, so it can help my cooking, my culinary journey. So look at this, unboxing this. What's this? Oh, the instruction. Instantpot recipe. Okay, get started. This, I don't know what's this. I have to read the manual. So, according to them, it will help us expedite our cooking. So, I hope so. This is a 7.5 quarts right here. Quarts size. White plus Instantpot. So it's this. Looks like for household use only, not for business. Household use only. There. Ooh, okay, so this is all the accessories inside here. Or beef spirits. We already sauteed. Now we're ready for cooking. This is the Instantpot demo. First cooking. There you go. So this is ready. So you choose beef. This is pretty. Three simple steps. Put the power. Select pressure cook. And then select beef. And cooking in high. And you have to manage 30 minutes. Beef tender. So let's see. We'll be back in 30 minutes. Thank you. Okay. Ooh, nice. shining. Yeah, it's time for me to eat. Yeah. Where is my lado? Yummy, yummy. Where is my king? Let's go eat.